If you're thinking of revitalizing your smile, the Dental Studio offers the perfect one-stop cosmetic dentistry solution. The Dental Studio is a boutique-style dental practice where personalized service is key.
Boutique style meaning we believe very strongly in personalized care. We get to know our patients individually first before we treat them, and we would treat them as if they were our family or friends.
One of the areas the Dental Studio specializes in is aesthetics and implant dentistry.
We believe very strongly that the implant is actually a complete one-for-one replacement of a missing tooth. So we try to use it to restore function, aesthetics, eliminate a lot of discomfort associated with denture wearing, improve patients' quality of life, bring back their smile, their self-esteem.
Across all of these areas, the specialists have one common goal: to practice ethical and high-quality dentistry.
We're actually characterized as a one-stop specialist center. So I have resident dentists, visiting dentists who are specialists, and we specialize in periodontics, oral surgery, orthodontics, and prosthodontics.
And patients can feel reassured in the knowledge that the Dental Studio uses state-of-the-art equipment, including fully digitalized X-rays, intraoral scanning, and patient management software.
You can basically view the whole procedure from start to finish before it's carried out, so that patients generally know what they're in for, they feel more comfortable, and they know the right questions to ask.
And you can enjoy this personal care long after you've finished your surgery. The Dental Studio places great importance on long-term care and follow-up. But for Dr. Lynette and her team, it goes much further than that.
It brings me great joy to bring what is imperfect and make it beautiful. It makes me feel happy to see that I've impacted their lives in a different way, not just in a dental way.